Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, magkakaroon tayo ng video tungkol sa mga paborito kong local products or Philippine products. Makeup to guys. So basically, ito yung mga products na talagang on top of my list in terms of local products and quality and magandang produkto and all that good stuff. And sobrang dami niya, kaya hinati ko 2 videos. Next week ko na i-film yung kalahati, but now I'm gonna film the other half. Mag-start muna tayo sa base. The first one on my list sa aking favorite local product is this Fashion 21 Ultimate Cover BB Cream and Concealer. Eto guys, it's very suited for those who have oily skin. I already have a review on this. Ililink ko siya sa description box in case you wanted to watch it. But basically, what I love about this is that pag nilagay nyo siya, it's really powdery. It gives you a good canvas. It gives you a good feeling din as well. Maganda siyang base for makeup. And yeah, so ultimately, I love the product. It's because, first, let's appreciate, dalawa na siya in one pack, diba? You can buy this product for only 220 pesos and you get 2 already. You have the concealer and you also have the BB cream. Especially for those who have oily skin, I truly recommend this. Pero, again guys, yung face ko, I have an oily skin but some parts of my skin have dry patches. Katulad nitong area to, minsan dry siya talaga. Hindi siya nag-emphasize ng dry patches. The next one, next BB cream that is on my top local products, EB Advanced BB Cream. Ito yung violet. Ito guys, if you're looking for a BB cream na medyo high coverage ang dating, eto yun. Ang ganda-ganda ng coverage nito. Para ka naka-foundation na at the same time. It's non-sticky. It's also suited for those who have oily skin. Pero suited din siya for those who have dry skin kasi nga hindi siya mag-emphasize ng dry patches. It goes a long way. Whole day mo siyang masusuot. Hindi maaalis yung pigmentation nung BB cream. Ang ganda niya. Ang tagal-tagal na ng review ko nito, but I will link that in the description box as well. I have 3 blushes here. Dito muna tayo. Unang tint muna tayo. Alam niyo na to guys, kasi lagi ko itong nababanggit sa akin. Marami ng my favorites na nabanggit ko to, at also marami ng videos na nabanggit ko rin itong product na to. But this is the Herbench Pretty When Pinch Chicken Lip Tint. Ang ganda-ganda nito guys, for natural. Meron silang dalawang klase nito. Medyo violet, at saka medyo reddish. If you're more on the darker side, go for the reddish. But if you're more on the lighter side, go for the medyo violet yung tint niya. Kasi it will look so natural sa skin. Para kang flashed. Ang ganda. Parang natural flashed ka lang. Ang ganda-ganda. This is one of the products that I cannot live without. Second tint naman I have is this Sansan Everyday Cheek Tint with Vitamin E. Ito kasi, kaya ko siya sinama kasi super affordable to guys. I only bought this cheek tint for 74 pesos on sale sa Sansan or sa HBC. Saan ka pa, diba? You have lip tint and you have cheek tint. But, kung i-compare ko sa kanila silang dalawa, talagang highly pigmented itong Herbench. Pero, maganda rin naman siya. As is, kung kayo ay baguhan, you will truly appreciate this kasi maganda siyang i-blend. Madali siyang i-blend. Unlike any other cheek tint, katulad nito, nung una kong gamit nito, talagang nahirapan ako i-blend siya kasi superly pigmented siya at mabilis siya mag-set. So, the tendency, medyo merong naiiwang patche sa aking mukha. Nung unang-una kong apply. Pero ito guys, talagang it will not leave you marks. Kahit na matagal nyo siyang i-blend, okay pa rin itong product na to. So, it's very blendable. Pigmentation-wise, maganda yung Herbench. Pero blending-wise, mas maganda to. Kasi this is very blendable. Hindi siya nagli-leave ng mga patches, red patches sa mukha nyo. Ito, medyo on, ano siya, in between nung bench eh. Medyo may reddish tone siya at may violet tint. So, this is suited for Filipina. But guys, mag-ingat lang kayo on applying this on your lips kasi medyo liquidy siya na ang tendency baka mainom nyo or makain nyo. Yun lang, just a piece of advice. But other than that, it's a good product. It's a good everyday tint that you can try. If you're looking for affordable tint, this is a must try for you. This is only 74 pesos from Sansan. Other blush naman is this Careline Oil Control Blush in Rosy Cheek. Ito siya. Pag gamit mo siya, ito yung gamit ko ngayon eh. Pag gamit nyo siya, very natural looking lang siya. Ang lakas makabata ng tint, ng ano na to, blush na to. Parang natural lang din at the same time. And yun, basically that's what I love about it. Another one from Sansan is this Deep Earth Brown Single Eyeshadow. Ito, tingnan nyo naman, I already hit the pan. Ang ganda-ganda nito. If you're gonna go for a smoky eye look, maganda siya. Pang contour, maganda siya. Pang bronze, maganda siya. Pang kilay, ginamit ko na rin to pang kilay. Talagang all around. This product, ang ganda ng pigmentation din ito, as you can see. And it's more on the grayish tone. Kaya medyo intense contour ang magagawa nyo sa kanya. But it's really blendable as well, that you can make it as a bronzer lang. And this is only 59 pesos, 60 pesos. Super affordable. And then the next one is from EV Advance as well. And this is the Blush Duo in Golden Goddess. Okay. Particularly, this bronzer right here. I super love it. Ilang beses ko na rin to na-mention sa aking videos that I super love this palette. Except for the blush. As you can see, nasira na siya. Nalaglag kasi siya. Buti na lang hindi nasira yung bronzer kasi I super love the bronzer. It's so natural. It's not grayish tone. It's not orange tone. Brown lang siya as skin tone. Ganun ang dating niya. So I super love this for natural bronzing. Medyo pang contour hindi siya okay pero pang bronzing maganda siya. And yeah, now let's continue on with kilay naman. Actually yung isa medyo pang intentionally siya for eyeshadow, and this is the Everbilena Eyeshadow Duo in London. Ito siya. Particularly this one. Ang ganda-ganda nito. Ginagamit ko siya for my kilay. I super love it. It's very natural. Basta maganda siya. Ako, for everyday, ito lang ang ginagamit ko. I don't use the pencils or mga pencils. For everyday, siya lang ang ginagamit ko. It's the right tone for kilay, guys. Especially for Filipina kilay. Tagal-tagal na nito sa akin. I think, mga 2 years, 3 years, and until now, siya pa rin talaga ang pinakamamahal ko in terms of my kilay. And yun. And I also have here the EV Advance Perfect Eyebrow. Ang ganda kasi nito. Talagang go-to local ko to. Maganda siya kasi it's really pigmented. Yung mga shades nila talagang highly pigmented. As in. Diba? Look at that. Oh. Diba? Highly pigmented. So, and also it goes a long way. Sa isang buong araw, masusuot nyo siya for the whole day. Really blendable. And I love the pigmentation. It's for my first half of my favorite local products. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Kung meron pa kayong mga request na videos, comment lang kayo sa ating comment bars. And also, active na ako ulit sa aking daily vlog. So go ahead and check it out. I will link that in the description box. And makikita nyo rin sa aking playlist. Andun siya. And what else? If you haven't followed me in my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, I'll be linking that in the description box. Kung hindi pa kayo nagsusubscribe dito sa channel ko, hit the subscribe button and be part of my family so that every time I upload a video, you will be updated. And what else? That's it for my first half of my favorite local products. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please do give me a big thumbs up. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a great day and happy day too. Bye! I'll see you soon.